IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Have you ever bought souvenirs from a street market? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I have bought souvenirs from street markets before. I usually buy small things like keychains or magnets because they are cheap and easy to carry. I think street markets are interesting, but sometimes the quality is not very good.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, simple ideas, limited development, lexical resource, basic vocabulary, repetition, buy, things. Grammar, mostly correct, simple sentences, little variety. Pronunciation, generally clear but not expressive. Typical of a Band 5, safe, basic, and a bit forgettable. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I have, quite a few times actually. When I travel, I like buying souvenirs from street markets because they feel more authentic than items from large stores. I usually look for handmade crafts or local artwork, although I do try to bargain a little to avoid overpaying.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth flow with clear extension of ideas. Lexical resource. Good range. Authentic, handmade crafts. Grammar. Mix of simple and complex sentences. Pronunciation. Natural stress and intonation. Typical of a Band 7.5. Engaging, flexible, and confident. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely, and I'd say it's one of my favorite parts of traveling. Street markets offer a glimpse into local culture, so I often buy handmade souvenirs that have a story behind them. Even if they're slightly imperfect, they feel far more meaningful than mass-produced items.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, cohesive, and polished. Lexical resource, precise and idiomatic, a glimpse into mass-produced. Grammar, wide range with full control. Pronunciation, natural, expressive, and native-like. Typical of a Band 9, sophisticated without sounding forced. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.